Hello friends, me on the behalf of ASS Science Foundation welcomes you. Dear students, as you know that everyone is going through a tough time, but for a student, time is the most important thing. They can use it for the better study, and for this purpose, we have just think of starting a new batch from 12th of July for the first semester, second semester, third, fourth semester, and even pass out people or PhD doing people, those who want to qualify NTA NET in environmental sciences. Along with this, we will be training the people for all other exams like GATE Ecological Evolution, which will be a part of this curriculum, and then ASRB NET Environmental Science, Power Grid, Forest Conservator, and all the Pollution Control Board exams, plus the PhD exams such as Delhi University, JNU, BHU, ISM Dhanbad, all the other open entrance examinations. The best part of this program is that you will be trained with 25 best faculty across India in environmental sciences who are a part of our team and they are specialized in their domain. ASS Science Foundation is there from last 10 years in this domain of environmental science, providing quality education to the students so that they can choose the best institute they wish. Now we have come up with a tie-up also that we will be guiding people for the admissions outside India also, who will be a part of this program. We will be guiding them for preparation of GRE and TOEFL, which will be included into this, right, along with this program. Then we will be starting this new batch from 12th of July. So those who are interested, they can contact through our website or our address and the numbers are given here. You can call us or you can visit our website, right? Or you can directly call or text. So the program will be having 6 months of duration as mentioned. And we will be taking both kind of candidate who wants to prepare for PhD exam or MSc entrances. Undergraduate can also apply. Their level of teaching will be different. We will be providing the complete study material, soft as well as hard copy, followed by a unit test, like weekly test of each unit and discussion. We will be teaching both the papers, paper one and subject. 5 specialized faculty will be taking care of the paper one, and on the other hand, almost 20 to 25 people will be taking care of subject. And a special focus will be given on previous year solutions. We will be providing everything, like we will be providing the assignment for the previous year, then doubt classes will be taken, and everything will be done at a perfect level. So we will be having a weekday program as well as weekend program, and the classes will be conducted through Zoom online session, and they are being organized very rigorously nowadays because of this uh, COVID pandemic. Then we have our own dedicated YouTube channel, which is serving the community from last 2.5 years, and people are getting benefit out of it. Then we will be providing audio lectures, and we will be focused on technical and non-technical part of paper one. We will be providing more facilities of the recorded version through Google Classroom, where you will be getting soft copy of everything. And preparation of GRE and TOEFL will be the intact part of it. Our alumni, like 15 to 20 of our alumni, they are doing PhD abroad. So they will be directly supervising the students who are interested in applying abroad, and the periodic counseling sessions will be organized in this program. This is a very nice program, and it have been upgraded according to the recent syllabus and the recent applications and the recent opportunities, India as well as outside, those which are like can be prevailed by people of either first semester, second, third, fourth semester, even pass out people or working people can also join. And there will be three type of programs. As I mentioned, the one program will be regular come online. So this program, the classes will be conducted in the morning time, like people, those who are willing to continue for a regular program after once this uh, pandemic situation is gone and the government gives the guidelines, they can freely join our center in Delhi, right? And then the second program is the online program, right, which can be joined as such. Third program is correspondence with audio program, which is also very rigorous. And the fourth one is the test series also, test series and discussion we are providing. So those who are interested, they can reach to our counselors as early as possible, because once the batch will start, then it's like you will miss out something. Then, as you can see, we are specialized in those domain, the PhDs, and we are specialized for NT and environmental sciences. We are holding a national record from last 10 years of maximum selections in the domain, and we have the weekend program, weekday program, right? All the things have been mentioned, and the batch date, this is very important, the 12th July 2020. You can reach to us on the given contact number or through our website, which is asscienceacademy.com, right? That can be reached to us. And some of the some of our achievements you can see here. These are just like 1.5 year or 2 year of achievement. In total, if you see, we have crossed 2000 plus success story in last 10 years, including many students who have joined PhD programs abroad in environmental science domain. And we are specialized in this domain, and we are working in this domain from last 10 years. And all other peoples in India, like most of our students, they are either into most of the new or the old IITs, Department of Civil Engineering of these IITs, and then other peoples are in CSIR labs or the newly formed research institute like ICERS, then followed by the universities like JNU, Delhi University, BHU, Punjab University, IP universities. So we have a huge alumni network of more than 2000 successful people, plus the jobs which are there like Power Grid. We have our one of the successful alumni, Rudra Pratap Pradhan. He's posted in Manesar. So then we have few people in forest conservators, and few people have qualified IFS, and few are working in pollution control boards. So we have a mixed bunch. So this is some of our achievements. Like in 2019, we had the maximum selection in one go, and two people getting the 100 percentile marks among all the students. Then in 2019, also June, we did the national record for the NT environmental sciences. Similarly, 2018, December and July 2018 and November 2017. So due to the limited availability of the space, we have shown less cases here. In total, almost around 2000 success story we have produced. So those of you who are interested in joining us, our registrations are open 24 into 7 till 12th of July, and the new batch will start from 10th of July, 12th of July, sorry. And you can start with the demos, and then if you like the way of our teacher and the work of our team, then you can be a part of our foundation and can make your dream successful. So I wish you good luck for the upcoming exam, which is like about to happen. But the people who are trying for December 2020, so December 2020, those who are thinking of, they can join us from 12th of July. Thank you very much. We wish all the aspirants who are preparing for this upcoming exam, which is about to happen in August or September, most probably in September or early time of October. So they are most welcome. The people who are planning for the December 2020, they are most welcome. They can reach us on the given numbers, right? And our website, they can write to our counselors and can get a free counseling sessions. Thank you very much. Good luck.